maybe the best bourbon cocktail is Old Fashioned, and that's what we're doing today. 2 shots of bitters, or 2 dashes. In goes a teaspoon of sugar. You just use regular sugar and it's going to be fine. It's going to be good. Splash of bourbon. Really all what you want to do is put enough liquid so you can dissolve the sugar. Stir it around real good. I'm going to put some big ice in there because I don't want to dilute the drink too much as I chill it out. Have the rest of your bourbon in, 2 ounces or so. Yep. And also, I can't fit those big old ice cubes in my rocks glass, what I don't have, so I'm using this chalice. So I gotta make it shrink a little bit. Yeah, sometimes it takes a little effort to get it in the hole. In it goes. Now strain out that Old Fashioned over the top. Now we're gonna go full Dexter and doctor up an orange peel here, however you like it. Get rid of the pith. You don't want too much of that. Make it pretty if you want. Give it a little twisty. Throw it in.